down there. I kick the dress over onto her head.
Oh, can you do it from here?
Let's go!
Yeah.
That gives you lots of room to. Yeah. Bring that leg down, all the way down, and grab hold of this rail. Yeah, swing yourself around.
Okay.
Slide down onto the wall.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh, good, 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 because look where your knees are.
I'm alright. It's okay. It's fine.
That's good. Now come down.
The Eiffel Tower built a smaller scale.
Fine.
Can you? Yeah, and then go down.
The freshest oxygen I'd ever inhaled.